Henry, what does this animal say? This one. Pig. You do. Henry, what does this animal say? Let's see. What does this animal say right here? Moo. You're right. Henry, what does this animal say way over here? What does this one say? See if we can find an elephant. Where is the elephant? What does this animal do? Henry? Elephant. Look, Henry. Henry, look. Henry. Elephant. Like this. Where's the elephant? Where? Yeah, that's what the elephant does. You're right. What does the elephant do? Ooh, yeah, that's right. Let's see. What does this animal say? Henry do. What does this one say? Moo. Henry do. Yep. Where's the dog? Where's the dog? Where's the dog? Woof, woof. Where is it? Where's the dog? Where is he? He's on this page. Right here. Can you find the dog? Where's the dog? Yep, right there. Good job.